Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Steam using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Steam, okay? And then after that, just go ahead and log in your account. And then after that, as you can see here at the upper left corner of your screen, there's this Steam option. So you just want to click on that and then choose settings. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and click on interface. And then here at the first option, it says that select the language you wish Steam to use. So it requires Steam to restart, okay? So just go ahead and click on this drop down arrow. And then here you can see all of the languages that is available. So just go ahead and choose one. So for example, I'm just gonna choose, wait, let me choose something. So, for example, you want mm, anything. So, for example, I'm just gonna you choose Espanol. So once you've done that, just click OK and just wait for the Steam to restart so that your language will be changed. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.